Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left, you're looking at one of our brand new styles. What this is going to be is a dry showcase. Okay, so this is not going to have any refrigeration. This is going to be all dry showcase. Now it will have LED lighting on the inside. I'll go ahead and show you in a bit, but before that I want to go ahead and measure the unit so you have an idea what the measurement are for this unit. You're looking at a length of 71 inches. Followed by a depth of 30 inches. And your overall height, you're looking at a total of about 54 inches high. Okay, 54. Now the unit does have wheels, casters included. Okay, so it makes it very easy for you to move it around if you need to move it frequently. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the back, where you can locate your plug. It is going to be a standard US plug. We also have a switch, power switch, and we're going to go ahead and show you the inside. Okay, now this unit has 3 shelves that are going to be included, as well as your counter that you can use as counter space here. Now measurements for the inside, front to back, you're looking at a total of about 26 inches. For the shelf, just the shelf itself, you're looking at 20 inches front to back. Okay. For your length, you're looking at a total of 68 inches. Okay, 68 inches for the length. And your overall height, you're looking at a total of about 32 inches. In between each shelf, you're looking at about 7.5 inches in between each shelf. Okay, as I mentioned, you also have LED lighting. Okay, so that is what your plug is for. Once you plug that in, your lighting will turn on for this unit. Okay, so your lighting is on top, on the back of the unit. Okay, so that's going to be one of our new styles. This is a dry showcase, 71 inch. If you're interested in one of these units, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information regarding this unit on the website, including the price.